Good day or night wherever you are. This is Miss Andrea with the Perris Library. Today we are going to be making DIY confetti shooters. These are a lot of fun. You can put anything in them. You can put scraps of paper, actual confetti, newspaper shreddings, pom-poms, anything you can think of that's pretty creative but also safe. Don't worry if you can't find a paper or plastic or even styrofoam cup, because you could always use a toilet paper roll, a paper towel roll, or just roll up a piece of thick paper or several pieces of thin paper and tape them together to make a cylinder shape, which would work the same as a cup. As for supplies, you'll obviously need a cup or a cylinder of some sort like I mentioned, a standard sized party balloon for the bottom of the cup, a thick piece of tape, either clear or colored of your choice, a marker to write your name, some scissors to cut the balloon, and I recommend getting the help of a parent to cut out the bottom of the cup either with scissors or a knife of some sort. I used an X-Acto knife. And then make sure, again, your balloon is the right size. Not the small water balloon, not the giant balloon, but a standard balloon you could blow up with your mouth. First, we're going to pop out the bottom of our cup or make our cylinder out of paper. Next, we're going to take our balloon and we're going to stretch it out so that we can tie the end as if we had put air in it, but don't put any air in it. Once your balloon is tied, you're going to cut off the tip of it just about 1 centimeter in. You want to cut off quite a bit, but not too much, so I would go small and then you can always cut off more later. And your balloon should look something like this. You'll want to open it up, and then we're going to stretch it over the bottom of the cup or the paper cylinder. It is at this stage that you may notice that your balloon is too big or too small, so take it back off and adjust from there. In order to keep the balloon secured to the cup, we're going to use our thick piece of clear tape. You could also use colored tape or anything you really have at all at home, and tape around the cup and the balloon. And then your shooter is done. You can put paper shreddings in there, you can put pom-poms, but now it's on to decorating, which is going to be up to you. I used some little star stickers, but you could also wrap paper around the cup so you can't see the tape or the balloon. Again, it's really up to you. Do what you want with your confetti shooter, but I just wanted to go simple with some stars because ultimately the fun is in shooting the pom-poms everywhere. But that's not the last step. The last step is always going to be cleaning up your supplies so that you can have fun afterward. Now that our supplies are put away, it's time for our book recommendation of the day, which is the book It's You I Like by Mr. Rogers. If you've seen the show, this will be nostalgic for you, but for everyone else, it's just a good time. This book is about all the things that are unique about everyone around you and what makes them likable and just good people in general. I highly recommend this book if you want to feel good and get those warm, friendly vibes. There's lots of neighbors, friends, and unique personalities in this one. Not to mention, the artwork is very beautiful in this book, and it's really unique in that it has so many different situations and characters and honest moments of humanity that really show what it means to be human. And as always, we're only done once we've cleaned up all of our mess, and then we're good to go. But make sure you wash your hands when you're done. Backs, fronts, and in between all of your fingers. This was Miss Andrea with the Perris Library. Have a good day or night wherever you are, and I hope you enjoy your next read. Visit your local library to check out some books or DVDs, and I'll see you next time.